Does your website meet ADA compliance requirements? Recent court decisions have indicated that websites need to be ADA compliant so that all persons, regardless of their abilities, should be able to fully use your website. Becoming ADA compliant, therefore, is critical, as a lawsuit could cost your business thousands of dollars. If you want to make your website ADA accessible now versus later, we can help. Our easy ADA website compliance service makes your current site compliant within 1 week. And it won't cost you $3,000. No, our service is a flat fee of $899. With our ADA compliance services, our experienced web design and development team can ensure your site meets ADA standards. Ready to get started? Contact us today and your site can be ADA compliant by this time next week.
Recent court decisions have indicated websites need to be ADA compliant. If you're ready to make your website ADA accessible now, our easy ADA website compliance service makes your website compliant within 1 week. We charge only a flat fee of $899. Ready to get started?